Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about a topic which is what's the best dating app in India. So the best dating app in general is Tinder. It's used worldwide. A lot of people use it. By a lot, I mean almost everyone uses it. By almost everyone, I mean people like single people use it a lot. It's not just in India, in Australia, in Malaysia, people use Tinder by a lot. And the second most popular app right beside Tinder is Bumble. People use Bumble by a lot. And it's people that have Tinder on their phone, they also end up having Bumble on their phone. Don't ask me why, I do not know that answer or that analogy. But yeah, the two best dating apps in India / the entire world is Tinder and Bumble. So if you want to know which one's the best dating app, there you go. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.